Hi friends, welcome back to Conversa. I'm teacher Shelby. Oh, it's been a long week, but I'm here with a new video for you. Let's talk about the names of body parts in English, from your head all the way to your toes. You'll learn how to pronounce each word, and I'll show you exactly where everything is. Let's get started. This is a class I recently taught in one of my in-person classes to beginners, and I realized I don't have this vocabulary on YouTube. So let's learn it together. We have three parts: the face, the upper body, and the lower body. Let's start with the face. This is your head. Your head. Head. Your face. Face. And on your face, you have your forehead. Forehead. You have hair. See? Hair. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. Eyes. Eyes. Eyelashes. Eyelashes. Eyelids. Eyelids. This is your nose. Nose. Your cheeks. Cheeks. Ears. Ears. Your mouth. Mouth. Teeth. Teeth, or one tooth. Tooth. Your tongue. Your tongue. And lips. Lips. Chin. Chin. And jaw. Jaw. There you go. I have brown eyes and straight teeth and maybe a few freckles. We say freckles. And let's see. Oh, and skin. I have fair white skin. This is all the parts of your face. Now, let's talk about the upper body. I'll show you over here, okay? The upper body. You have your neck. Neck connects to your head and your face to your body. You have shoulders. Shoulders. Arms. Arms. Specifically, you have upper arm and upper arm. Elbow. This is your elbow. And your forearm. Forearm, but it's all together your arm. Next, you have your hand. Your hand. You have fingers. Fingers. Your thumb. Thumb. And nails. Nails. And your palm. The palm of your hand. You also have your chest. This area on a man or a woman, you can say, is your chest. Your back. Back. You have upper back, mid back, or lower back. Parts of your back. And your stomach, or more informal words are tummy or belly for your stomach. And right in the middle, you have your belly button. Belly button. And some people call this area your waist. Your waist. That's your upper body. I don't think I forgot anything. Let me know if I did. Okay, now let's talk about the lower body. The lower body. It starts with your hips. Hips. And your butt, or some people call it a bum. Your butt or your bum. You have legs. Legs. The upper part of your leg is called your thigh. Thigh. And you have knees. Knees. And the lower part of your leg, the front part, is called the shin. Shin. And the back part is called the calf. It's your calf. Next, you have your ankles. Ankles. Your feet. Feet. Or just one is foot. Your foot. And you have your toes. Toes. With nails as well. You have nails on your hands, your fingers, and nails on your toes. You also have the heel of your foot. And your legs help you do all kinds of things. Let me know if I forgot any parts of the lower body. All right, great job. Thanks for joining me and learning all different parts of the body. Obviously, I kept things pretty neutral, not specific to male parts or female parts, just general body parts that every human being has. I hope it was fun for you to learn. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know in the comments below if there's another set of vocabulary words that you would like to learn. So this was all about the body, but if you have another theme or another area of vocabulary you want to learn about, it can be anything. Let me know and I'll make a video about it. Thanks for watching. Of course, like, subscribe, share this video with a friend. Check out last week's video. It was super fun, a fall yummy dessert that I'm making all the time here in the US. I just had this dessert, a s'more, the other day. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.